Let's talk about AMP, guys. AMP is currently ranked 84 and trading at about 2 cents, guys. This cryptocurrency is a collateral token. Right now, if you guys want to trade, hodl, stake this, there's a lot of platforms you can do that on. There's typically, I mean, it's in the top 100, so it's almost in every platform. So the ones that most commonly used is Coinbase, crypto.com. So I use those a lot. So if you're looking at using this cryptocurrency, those two are highly available. Now, if you're looking for some relevant news, guys, there hasn't been any specific news that I've seen for AMP outside what's happening with Russia, Ukraine when it comes to cryptocurrency, also with Canada and cryptocurrency, but nothing specific to AMP. I'll also show you guys his Twitter page. But if you're looking at AMP, guys, here's their website. This is amptoken.org. Let's make money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like ZEC with instant verification assurance for any real-world application. They do Bitcoin, they got Litecoin, they got Dogecoin. If you guys want to stake, send cryptocurrencies, you can do that. AMP is an extensible platform for collateralizing asset transfers. So if you guys are into that and need something to be transferred over for like an asset loan, or this says digital payments, fiat currency exchanges, loan distributions, property sales, and more. If you need some middle cryptocurrency, this is for you. So please check it out. Let's check out their Twitter page, guys. So the Twitter's rocking with 45,000 followers. Their latest post since it being like June 2021. So there hasn't been much activity with this, but I made a video about what's happening with AMP before, so I want to talk about it now. Now, there hasn't been any relevant news, but let's check out their trading chart, guys. So let's look at the extensive history when it comes to this is Coinbase Exchange, US dollar. So they were sitting at about 12-13 cents on the high, guys, and since there they've been downtrending hard, making a couple of peaks and valleys, but heading down lower. And currently they're only heading down. They're at 2 cents, possibly going to break this support line. And right now we're in the daily. So we zoom in a little bit more, guys. It might not accept this support level and might run right through it to head down to lower lows. Now understand that if you guys are hodling or being part of this or staking this cryptocurrency, your percentage that you earn might be a whole lot less than it goes down. So if it goes down to the 10%, 12%, 20%, whatever amount, and you're only earning 2% staking, you might get pretty much crushed. So for me, if I was going to get this cryptocurrency, the only thing I would do if I was going to trade this would be just shorting this crypto as much as possible. And I would probably get it off of a pullback. So something like this, where you just have like a big push up and get on the pullback, because at its current pace, guys, AMP might be hitting 1 cent. And if it hits 1 cent, it might go lower and lower from there. So that'd be my price prediction, AMP to 1 penny. And if you have 20 questions of that, this is my estimation. Like, you can use Fibonacci's, you can use a lot of different indicators to like where it's going to go. But this downtrend has been heading pretty much one direction. And there's a couple peaks and valleys, but people are pretty much re-entering and shorting even more. So let's go to the weekly. You can tell that when it is a massive pullback, people enter in that short. Massive pullback in the short, and it's pushing it lower and lower and lower, and this might continue down to very minuscule amount. So buying for me is not this. I would not buy it at all. I would be looking for the short, and let's see where the majority of the money is heading to. Now let's head to my website, guys. So if you guys want to learn about trading, forex, anything about cryptocurrency or my trading robot, please check out my website. Looking for custom indicators, some economy and stats, or some indicators, please check out my website, guys. Well, that's the video. Tell me what your guys' thoughts are. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.